Hi guys, welcome back to another week of U.S. history. Today we're going to talk about how the West in the United States got settled and how that was really good for the United States, but not so good for Native Americans. So first, the word that we need to know is frontier thesis. Now the frontier thesis meant that people are getting too settled in one area. In the United States, this is the eastern part of the United States. People are getting too close and too crowded. As a result, one must expand the area in which they have. Manifest destiny is the tool that we use to expand this area. The belief was that the expansion throughout the United States was both justified and it was inevitable. It was going to happen. People believed they were destined by God to spread democracy and capitalism to the West. This happened in the 19th century, which is the 1800s. It's a symbol of U.S. growth, expansion, and change. And here's a famous image of that time of an angel leading these people out west, and as you can see, also running Native Americans away. How can this happen? It can happen with railroads to help people go out west. It could be achieved by pushing people out west, by pushing the Native Americans out, and also gaining land through war, like the land that we got through Mexico, negotiations for land, like the Louisiana Purchase, and the use of money just to buy land. It was a huge impact on the United States. It made the United States much larger and much wealthier. Farmers had more lands to grow crops on, and it increased trading between the East and the West. So let's talk about industrialization. Industrialization is the development of industry. So it's manufacturing, like all these factories that we have around here, coal mines, steam engines, and much more, anything that's developing an area. Why did the United States become much more industrialized? Well, before 1865, there was no major railroad. And that meant travel was really dangerous and long. You had to ride a horse out west. But with the expansion of manifest destiny, which we talked about, which is the move west, and the gold discovered in California, and also the Transcontinental Railroad connecting the East and the West, the United States quickly became richer and more manufactured. There was a huge boom in the West. People were looking to get rich quick. This led to lots of small mining towns all throughout the western United States. Now, the railroad, the Transcontinental Railroad, was the first railroad to connect the Mississippi River and the Pacific Ocean. It made it a lot faster to travel out west. The railroad was built on opposite ends, one starting in Nebraska and the other side in California. And as you can see in this picture, they connected right in the middle. This had a huge effect on the United States. Goods and services were provided much more efficiently. You could get things from the west and the east, no matter where you lived in the country. And it also allowed life to be much more convenient and easier for people. Some other innovations made in this time was electricity, which meant industries could be located just about anywhere. And a little bit later, Henry Ford developed the assembly line, which increased worker productivity and provided cars for people. All right, there is some work to do on Canvas. Make sure you get that done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.